Yeah, so you obviously get web apps, which are kind of a fancy term for like a website. So this is a
Yeah.
website with a lot of functionality. A progressive web app is kind of similar to that, where it's got loads of functionality. It almost looks and works like an app, but it's built in web technology. It's responsive, meaning that it works across different browsers. So I can access it, as you said, on my desktop, on my laptop, on my mobile phone, but it's all accessible through a web browser, and it's not available through an app store, right? Then you get hybrid mobile apps. The hybrid mobile apps are basically mobile apps that are built using a combination of web technology and mobile application technology. How it works is you build the app once, and then that app is compiled, and it's available for both Apple and Android stores, right? So, you write it once, and you might have like slight differences in code. Maybe there's a few little things that you need to do for one operating system or another. And then hybrid mobile apps have got access to a lot of the phone's features, but they don't have access to everything. So, but it's got access to quite a lot of features, and they are compiled, they're uploaded to the app store, they need to be verified as I described in the previous answer, and then essentially users download them and use them, and they've got no idea that it's a hybrid app, right? And then this sort of
Yeah.
the fourth type is actually called native apps. So for Apple and for Android, you can write applications specifically for those devices, and you've got access to the sort of lowest level phone features. But the thing is, you've got to write an application specific to each device, and that's called native. And these are the fastest performing applications. But again, you're kind of writing the application twice, once for each operating system. And then again, how users access them is again through the App Store, and the verification process applies. And the end users, none the wiser. They won't really be able to tell the difference between a hybrid app and a native app.